Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How are you doing today? I hope you all have an amazing day. Hope you have an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you the my skincare routine, which you all have been requesting for. Not all of you, but some of you have been requesting for my updated skincare routine. Product that I've been using all the while for like a month now. It's by Good Molecules. Previous video you all might have seen when I unboxed this product, so I've been using them since then. So I'm here to share with you guys my final thoughts about this product, and I went back to their website to purchase some other stuff that I feel like I'm going to need during this winter time to help to hydrate my skin more. So I decided to go back to their website to bought some more products. The other video that I updated, that I uploaded, those ones were sent to me free with the fridge. You all saw the previous video, alright? Just in case you're just coming across my channel for the first time, I have the video on my channel where I did the unboxing of what I'm about to do, the final review of the product. Also in this video, I'm going to be doing the final review of this serum because I don't want to do this separately. If I have to do this separately, the video is going to be very short. So I was like, why not just combine them? Because when I use this skincare that I'm about to reveal to you guys, I normally come in with this in between the steps. So that's the reason why I decided to combine this with it, and so we can just get over it instead of wasting time too much doing this in order to prolong the video to be long. No, I don't want to do that. All right guys, so without wasting much of your time, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. And please give me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Please like, share, and please, if you can, watch my ad too. I'll be so much grateful. Okay, if it's too long, I wouldn't hold you for that. All right, but if it's the short one, it's okay. It's okay. All right, I will appreciate everything. All right guys, let's jump right into this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my morning routine. Then I will just run the night routine quickly in between it, okay? Because it's just few steps that are different from my morning routine and my night routine. All right, so first of all, I normally come in with a soap that I purchased. This soap is one of the things I went back to their website to purchase, all right, because I wanted to use their products all together. So I purchased this soap that I'm showing you on the camera right now. That's the first step I use. I use it to wash my face, of course, and I will tell you that this soap doesn't dry my skin out at all. Whenever I use it, my skin doesn't feel tight. It still glows. Like seriously, I let it be for a few minutes and see how it's going to feel on my face, but it doesn't feel tight and there's no harsh chemicals in it. This soap is made with so this soap is soap-free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, kaolin clay, and cocoa powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne-prone skin. All right, even if you don't have acne, you can still use this soap. I don't usually have, I have every now and then, but not all the time. You know, that time of the month, that's when I get my own pimple that will just pop out here and there. But I can really tell you that it helps me to lighten up a particular one, which I'm going to show you on the screen right now. That particular spot was lighting up during the process when I was using this, so it does really help. I like it, and it doesn't have a strong scent. It doesn't even have any scent that will be offensive to people that don't like a fragrance in their skincare. Okay, so after I've done that one, I will move on. And before I move on to the other products, this soap, I bought it with what is called the soap tray. Okay, stone soap tray. It's made from water absorbent diatomaceous hard stone. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Keep your cleansing bar clean and dry. And the most amazing thing about this stone is that it dry like a few minutes. It's all dry. I think it's seconds. I'm going to insert a video for you guys to see how this tray dry up easily. Is what they said it does. It dries up easily, and when that happens, it's going to keep your soap from accumulating germs. Because if the soap tray you're using has water retain, water retain under it, definitely it's going to be developing some microscopic germs that you cannot see with your bare eyes. So I love this tray. That's why I decided to buy it. When I read it, I was like, yes, I'm gonna go for it, and I've been loving it. Every time I put my soap back on it, it's dry pretty fast. I hope you all have seen the video. All right, so that is it about the stone tray, I mean soap tray stone. Yeah, stone soap tray by Good Molecule. So after I've done my soap, then I come in with their at night. Okay, every Friday I exfoliate. I only exfoliate once a week because I don't want my skin to be super dry, especially in this winter time. So I only exfoliate once a week. So I went ahead and purchased their pineapple exfoliating powder. It's formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C, and face powder to soften, brighten, and gently exfoliate. Like I said, I use it once a week, and they put the direction at the back. Depending on how you want the consistency of it to be, I will normally put just little water, just like I'm showing you on the camera right now. I do this in my bathroom, but I don't want to be moving moving my camera up and down for the purpose of this video. That's why I'm using bottled water. Okay, so I put a little because I want to feel the particles in it. So I wrap just just like what I'm showing you on the camera right now. Then I put it on my face in circular motion. I let it go down to my neck, and then I will just go ahead and rinse it. Okay, like I said, I use it once a week. Okay, so after I've done that, then I will come in with their toner, niacinamide brightening toner, formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, had been like licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. Guys, this is amazing. The two ways you can use this product is either you use cotton pad, or you just put it in your palm and dab it on your face, which that is the option I've been going for. For me, I believe using the pad is going to absorb more of the products. I might not be able to feel it more on my skin, so I chose to go with the other choice, which is putting it on my palm, and I dab it on my face. I let it sit there for a few minutes. While that is sitting on my face, I go in with my eye cream. This is not by Good Molecules. Is one of the products I review in this on this channel, so that's what I'm still using currently because I still have quite a few in it. So I decided to continue to use it until I finish it. Then I can move on to something else. Okay, so I put that under my eye, just like the way you're seeing it right now. I warm up my ring finger. Believe me, guys, I'm not just saying this on the camera. I do this. I warm up my ring finger and I put it on under my eye, and I keep going in that circular motion, in that motion you guys are looking at right now. That's the way I apply it. So after I'm done with that, I will let that stay. While that is staying in there, I will go ahead and pick up my serum, which is also by Good Molecules Ioric Acid Serum, formulated to draw moisture into the skin for deeper hydration. This is much needed for this winter time. This is why I call this video my updated winter skincare routine, because in winter my skin tend to get dry. So I'm so much loving this product, and that's what I've been using. So I just put that in my palm. I take quite some drop, like 2 or 3. I put it in my palm, then I just put it onto my face, just like the way you're seeing it. I let it absorb. They recommend let it absorb for like 30 seconds. Okay, and it's suitable for all skin type. So I just put it there, and while that is sitting down there, I come in with this serum for my lashes, which I'm going to be showing you the before picture, the before video, and now how my lashes are looking towards the end of this video. Please stay tuned to see that. Like I said, I will come in with this, and while I apply this, my serum is getting settled on my face, and I will come in with my own moisturizer that I use during the day. And the type I like to use moisturizers that have a serum. Good Molecules have their own moisturizers, which is the one I'm showing you on the screen right now. It is called silicone free priming moisturizer. It doesn't have SPF and SPF, so I chose to use my Estee Lauder cream with this product. So the only time I use this one by Good Molecules is when I want to do makeup. Okay, so I use it as a primer. All right, and that's how I've been using this one, and it does let my makeup stay in place. It's formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil and a plant derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth and nourish the skin. All right, that's what the moisturizer is made of. Okay, so when I come in with my Estee Lauder moisturizer, like I said, the last thing that will come in to keep your skin hydrated during this winter time is oil, and this oil is by Good Molecules as well. It's the ultra hydrating facial oil formulated with camellia and I can't pronounce this word. I'll put it on the screen. Barbadian, I can't even see it right. Barbadian oil to hydrate, protect and nourish. All right, I'll put it on the screen if I mispronounced it, and I couldn't even see it. It's a little bit tiny and I'm not wearing my glasses as well. All right, so the last thing I do, I put, like I said, I'll put the oil like 2 or 3 drops. I put it, then I warm it up. The oils work much more better when they are warmed up. Research it. Okay, you don't have to put it inside the microwave. Just put it in your pan, just rub it, to use your pan to warm it up a little bit. Then you dab, just like the way I'm showing you on the camera. Then you dab it, you know, here and there where you want it to go, and that is the end of my skincare routine in the morning. All right, so at night it's still the same process, just like the way I mentioned it. The only difference is I come in at night, I'll use the vitamin C serum, vitamin C powder. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys that their pineapple exfoliating powder, yes, it's powder. All right, I think I did that. So the only difference at night, like I said, is I use vitamin C booster powder. Vitamin C powder you're looking on the screen, that's the only thing that changes during the night. The rest of my routine, they are still the same thing, but at night, after before I put my serum, I put the powder in my palm, I put a little drop of the serum, then mix it up and just dab it on my face and let that stay there while I continue applying this. Then I let it stay, then come in with my night cream, which is Estee Lauder as well, the one you're looking at on the screen. That's the only difference. Then I end up everything with the oil at the same time. Okay, so once a week I use the caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. All right, this is also by Good Molecules. It's formulated to firm, energize and hydrate tired eyes. Guys, this is really amazing. I really love the way it feels whenever I put it on my eye, and it's big. It's quite bigger than the ones I've used in the past and the one that I've seen in the past. Quite big enough to stay on your cheekbone to go all the way to your eyes. I'll be coming up with a video that will show you how I use this, and I will talk more about this particular product. End of this video. So I'm going to show you, before we end this video, the comparison before the before and after video, and let's see if the serum helped me to enhance my natural serum. Welcome back. So you all might have seen it. I can honestly tell you guys that I saw just a little bit, not a lot or significant difference, not a lot, but a little bit. Where I have tiny bits before, I saw them like a little bit growing, but not that a lot, not that wow you all can see. But I believe maybe when I use it continuously for months, because the damage to my eyelashes or the loss of hair in my eyelashes, it's not overnight, it's months and years. So it might take a while before the serum actually enhances it. I believe with constant usage and continuously for several months, one will see a little bit of significant difference. That's the only way I can put it. So it's not a failure to me. All right guys, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't before, and please like this video, share with friends and family, please, and Leave me comments in the comment section and let me know your thought about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.